Hello, I'm Matt from SURONICS, the best graphics company for the Surrons, and in future maybe some other electric bikes. So today I'm get back with the short episode about how I broken the two belts in 4 months. So here is the last broken belt. So after some upgrades, I broken the first belt in 3 months. Then I decided that I should change to the belt because I don't like to lube things, to stretch things, and to maintain things. I like this Sur-Ron because I just ride it with less maintenance as possible. So, but finally, the second belt was broken again. Before a week, I was in the enduro rally with the other petrol guys with ATVs and motocross bikes, and we were competing with them with the Surrons. So I'm happy that that belt was not broken that day, and that I don't have to push my bike for 30 kilometers because it's in the middle of the track. So finally this was my last belt, and I decided to go with the chain conversion. So here is my Sur-Ron with the demographics. It's Fox Wild green purple, but today not about that. This bike has some upgrades. It's back 4000, 2 wheels and power, and EV Freaks heatsink. It runs 60 volt, 62 amp hour battery, 21 and 18 inch rear tire. So we have more power and more weight and more traction. So I believe that's why the belt is not working properly and breaks every 300 or 400 kilometers. So my idea was to not broke anymore that belt. So it's about today's upgrade. So here is the troublemaker. I don't want to push again my bike for 15 kilometers home or ask for assistance. The 2 times I want to upgrade to the thing that I can trust. It's the chain conversion. So I've got it from EV Freak shop, and it's very nice thing. It's the front sprocket, the rear sprocket, and the chain. So it's chain is thinner, it's O-ring, and it should be, I believe, more silent, because I was skipping the idea that I should upgrade to chain because it's noisy. I have to loop, I have to stretch, I have to maintain. So I believe it will be okay. So today I will try to install it and we will see. I have few more things from them. It's the horn delete and the air tag holder, and I have the kickstand upgraded. It's very nice, high quality, strong, because now the 21 does not work well with the stock kickstand. Every time I see how my bike is falling, so I don't want to see that. So it's nice solid thing. The best kickstand I've ever seen, the kickstand, the best stand I've ever seen in my life is Pakistan. I have it at my home, I don't have to spend money. So it works well for me. Okay, so we take off and put the new sprocket from EV3s. Perfectly fits, just align and bolt on. Looks like we're stuck with removing this part, so thinking how to solve this. A little bit damaged, but removed. Here is the three parts, three rings, and one is a little bit wider, so it goes on the end. So we should fit firstly the thinner ones, then the small sprocket, and then the thicker one, and should be like this. So we need to remove and change this bolt to this bolt, because I have the wide wheels and this bolt should be short and that wheel would work fine. So we have to remove this one and change later to the short one. The life hack: to remove the spring. Good. Works nice. Hope the wheel will fit perfectly. Extended, so finally my Sur-Ron will stand properly. So we have everything in place. It's a perfect time to check does it work or not and how it sounds. Maybe a little bit more noise as with belt, but sounds like a drill, sounds okay. The installation has been done, and the process took around a few hours to install the chain kit and kickstand, so it was not so easy, but finally I'm happy. The chain kit is noisy, as it says, sounds like a bit like a drill, so during the night time I was testing it, so it sounds not like a motorbike but more noisy, but I would say it's better go far than silent. I am happy with it. It looks pretty nice, works great. We will see how far it will go. I will have to maintain. I am not happy with it, but you know, it's better to maintain than push the bike home. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Check out the SURONICS.com if you want the discount on milk racing wheels, or if you fix production, check the description, you will find the codes there. Thanks, bye, see you.